There is a brand new AI model, and it is completely free. It runs right on your laptop. No cloud, no subscription, no GPU required. It has 24 billion parameters. But here's the wild part. It only uses a tiny slice of that power at a time, so it stays fast, it stays lean, and it runs on normal hardware. This thing can read massive documents, write full content plans, answer complex questions, and handle tasks most paid tools charge a fortune for. And the best part, you can download it right now for free and run it privately on your own machine. No one sees your data, no one charges you per token, no one limits your usage. This is one of the biggest shifts in local AI we have seen. And today I am going to show you exactly what it is, how it works, and how you can start using it right now. Let's go. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Today we are talking about LFM2 24B A2B. That is a mouthful, but what it does is simple. It is a free, powerful AI model you can run locally right on your own machine. No cloud required. By the end of this video, you will know what it is, why it matters, and how to actually put it to work. Let's get into it. This model comes from a company called Liquid AI, and they have built something genuinely different. Most big AI models are what is called dense models. Every single parameter activates for every single token. That is expensive, that is slow, and that is why most powerful models live in the cloud and cost money to use. LFM2 24B A2B does it differently. It uses something called a mixture of experts, MOE for short. Here is the simple version. The model has 24 billion total parameters, but for any given task, only around 2.3 billion of those actually activate. The right experts show up for the right job. Everyone else stays quiet. Think of it like a company with 100 specialists on staff. But for each project, only the 10 most relevant ones actually do the work. That keeps things fast. It keeps things efficient, and it keeps the compute footprint tiny. That is why this model fits inside 32 gigabytes of RAM. That is why it runs on your laptop, and that is why it is fast enough to actually use in the real world. On a regular CPU, it runs at around 112 tokens per second. That is plenty fast for real work. On a high-end GPU, it jumps to nearly 300 tokens per second, and the context window is 32,000 tokens. That means it can handle massive documents, long conversations, and complex multi-step tasks all in one go without losing the thread. Here is what most people miss when they hear about a new free AI model. They think it is just a cheaper version of something that already exists. It is not. Running AI locally changes everything about how you can use it. When you use a cloud-based model, your prompts go to someone else's server, their infrastructure, their data policies, their rules. When you run LFM2 locally, none of that leaves your machine. Your prompts stay private, your outputs stay private, your client data stays private. For anyone running an agency, a content business, or any kind of professional workflow, that matters enormously. And because there is no per token cost on the model itself, you can run as many prompts as you want. You can iterate fast, you can test ideas, you can build workflows that would cost a small fortune to run through a paid API. All right, it supports 8 languages too: English, Arabic, Chinese, French, German, Japanese, Korean, and Spanish. So if you are working with international clients or a global audience, this model has you covered. Before we go deeper, I want to mention something. If you are watching this and thinking about how to actually build AI into your business, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we go beyond just knowing about tools like LFM2 and actually build real workflows with them. We cover automation systems, content engines, lead generation frameworks, and much more, all built around tools like this one. If you want to use AI to grow your business faster and work smarter, the AI Profit Boardroom is the place to be. Link is in the description. Go check it out. Now let's keep going. Getting started is simpler than you think. Here is the step-by-step. First, go to Hugging Face and search for Liquid AI LFM2 24B A2B. You will find the full model card, download links, and documentation all in one place. The easiest way to run it locally is with the GGUF quantized version. GGUF is just a compressed format that is optimized for running on your CPU without needing a powerful GPU. Head to the Liquid AI LFM2 24B A2B GGUF page on Hugging Face to find these. For most laptops, the Q4 version is your best starting point. It comes in at around 13 to 14 gigabytes and gives you a great balance of speed and quality. If you have more RAM and want higher quality outputs, go for Q5 or Q6. Once you have the file downloaded, you run it through llama.cpp. That is a free open source tool. built exactly for this kind of local inference. Install it, point it at your model file, and you are live. If you want to push it further, the model is also available in ONX format for cross-platform optimization, and it works with VLM for high-performance GPU inference if you have the hardware. But for most people, llama.cpp and the GGF version is the sweet spot. Let me show you how I would actually use this for real work. Say I want to build a full content strategy for the AI Profit Boardroom. I'd write a prompt like this. You are a content strategist for an AI automation community called the AI Profit Boardroom. Create a 30-day content plan, including YouTube video ideas, email subject lines, and LinkedIn post hooks. The goal is to educate business owners on how AI automation can help them work smarter and grow faster. Keep it practical, punchy, and focused on real results. That is it. One prompt. The model handles the whole thing. And because it has a 32,000 token context window, it can give you a deeply detailed plan without losing context or cutting corners. Here is another one. Say I want to write outreach messages to invite agency owners and entrepreneurs into the AI Profit Boardroom community. Prompt, write 10 short personalized outreach messages for agency founders and online entrepreneurs. The goal is to invite them to join the AI Profit Boardroom, an AI automation community where members learn how to build faster workflows, save time, and grow their business with AI. Keep the tone friendly and conversational. Focus on the value of the community, not on selling. 10 messages done locally, privately, fast. You can run hundreds of variations of this kind of prompt without worrying about hitting API limits or running up a bill. That is the power of running a model like this yourself. Let me quickly cover where this model actually stands in terms of raw performance. Early benchmark results show strong performance on GSM-8K, which tests mathematical reasoning. It also performs well on MMLU Pro, one of the hardest multi-subject knowledge benchmarks available. What is especially notable is the scaling behavior. Liquid AI have shown that LFM2 models improve in a clean, consistent way as they scale from 350 million parameters all the way up to 24 billion. That kind of predictable scaling is a good sign for quality and reliability. So that is LFM2 24B A2B. Free, local, private, fast, and genuinely powerful for real business tasks.